This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Cheryl Copeland. Welcome to your dream mountain offered under appraised value, and move-in ready with a brand new roof, newer HVAC, and hot water heater for peace of mind and low maintenance. Living.Located in a vibrant, amenity-rich community just a short walk to the clubhouse, indoor pool, and fitness center. You'll enjoy year-round recreation with 3 community pools, 1 indoor, 2 outdoor, tennis and pickleball courts, dog park and walking trails, and much more. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence or a relaxing getaway, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and mountain charm, and a private setting. Fenced yard for your furry friends as well. Basement is partially finished, just waiting for your personal touches. Whole house vacuum system, and security system. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Schedule your tour today. For more information.